In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Wix website with Google Search Console for effective tracking and monitoring. This process is crucial for understanding how your website performs on Google Search, providing insights that help you optimize and improve your site's visibility. So let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to log into your Google Search Console account. If you don't have one yet, make sure to create an account. This tool is entirely free and invaluable for monitoring how your website interacts with search engines. Once you're logged in, navigate to the property selection screen, which is where we'll start linking your Wix website. Next, you'll want to add your Wix website as a new property. Doing this is an essential step for Google to start tracking data specific to your website. Simply enter the URL of your site into the designated field. This URL should be exactly as it appears in your browser's address bar to avoid any connectivity issues later on. Once the URL is set, you'll be prompted to choose a verification method. Among the options, I recommend selecting the HTML tag method. This option is commonly used for Wix sites and is both straightforward and effective. Choosing the right option is crucial for ensuring a smooth setup process. After selecting the HTML tag method, you'll receive a unique verification code. Copy this code carefully, as you'll need to use it in the next steps. This code essentially functions as a digital signature that verifies your ownership over the site. Now it's time to switch over to your Wix editor or the Wix dashboard. Make sure you're using Google Chrome for the best experience, as compatibility and performance are optimal with this browser. Once inside Wix, navigate to the SEO settings for your site. This can typically be found in the menus related to site settings or SEO tools. In the SEO settings, you will find a section designated for entering custom code into your website's header. Paste the verification code from Google Search Console into this header section. Be careful to place it exactly where instructed, as incorrect placement can result in verification failures. After pasting the code, be sure to save your changes. This step is crucial because you'll need to publish your site with the updated header code for Google to recognize and verify your ownership. Hit publish, ensuring all changes are live and reflected on your site. Finally, return to Google Search Console to complete the verification process. By following these steps, this should be straightforward. Click to proceed with verification, and if everything has been set up correctly, Google will confirm your site ownership within a few moments. And there you have it. Your Wix site is now successfully connected to Google Search Console. From here, you can begin exploring the data, tracking your site's performance, and making adjustments to optimize your site's presence in search results. Thank you for joining me today, and happy